Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So Valentine's Day is over, but love is definitely still in the air. This week I'll show you guys how I help my friend with his engagement by making him this exploding proposal box. I'll have everything I used in the description box below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned. Alright guys, to begin this project, I'm just going to tape the box shut. I'm going to tape the top and bottom closed. And I believe he purchased this box from Walmart. And I have the measurements in the description box below. So once I have the box all taped up really well, I'm going to take a ruler and I'm measuring, I believe it was like 4 inches down. And I'm just going to measure 4 inches all across the box. And this is, I'm going to follow this line to see where I need to cut. And this is how I'm going to make the lid. And I did all this measuring, guys, and my lid still turned out a little bit crooked. I'm not very good at tracing, but it all worked out in the end. So this doesn't have to be perfect because mine wasn't. If you see right here, my lines are way off. So now I'm just taking my box cutter and I'm going to attempt to follow the lines I just made and go all the way around. And I purchased this box cutter from the Dollar Tree and it works very well. See, I messed up, but it's okay. Just going to trim it and fix it a little bit. And once I get the lid off, I'm just making sure that it can go back on there, which it does. Once I get the lid off, I'm just going to take my box cutter and I'm just going to slit all the corners. And this is going to allow the box to lay flat. So when you lift the lid, all 4 sides will collapse. And then I'm just going to add some tape to the middle right here. And then I'm just going to use my super awesome wrapping skills and wrap all the flaps and cover all the flaps in wrapping paper. And this is some double-sided wrapping paper. So I have plain silver on one side and this pretty chevron print on the other side. And I used tape, but then I ran out of tape and I switched to my hot glue gun. And I honestly think my hot glue gun worked better. So I would suggest using a hot glue gun instead of tape. So wrapped all the sides and then I'm just going to wrap the lid the same way. And I'm just making sure it all closes. And now here, I'm just adding the letters to the balloons. Purchase these balloons from Party City. And if you purchase balloons from Party City and keep your receipt, you can go back later and have them inflated. So purchase these like Monday, and then on Saturday, I went and had them inflated for free. And I'm just adding the letters. I'm doing each word on both sides just because I have no idea how the balloons are going to float, you know, when they open the box. So no matter what side she opens it, she'll be able to read the message. And I made these letters using my Cricut, but you can also purchase letters from Michael's or Hobby Lobby or even Walmart. And now I'm just arranging the balloons, making sure that they pop out at a height where it can still be read, and just placing them in the correct order. And I did go ahead and hot glue the balloon weights to the bottom of the box. And I added some Mod Podge and I sprinkled some confetti on the bottom, just to give it a little extra pop. And that's it. This is our box. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.